Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily remove your BMW X3 cargo cover. This simple process allows you to quickly gain extra space for larger items, making your vehicle even more versatile. We'll go through each step, ensuring you understand how to detach the cover and where to store it securely within your X3. It's a straightforward task that takes just a moment or two. Before we begin, ensure your BMW X3 is parked securely with the engine off. Next, fully open your vehicle's rear tailgate to provide ample room to work. Now, look closely at both ends of the cargo cover, near where it connects to the side panels. You will find a small, distinct release button on each side. These buttons are key to unlocking the cover from its mounts. With the release buttons identified, let's proceed. First, press down on the release button located on the right side of the cargo cover. This will unlock that end. While holding the button, gently pull the right side of the cover inward, then slide it towards the rear of the vehicle. Repeat this exact process for the left side, and the entire cargo cover will then be free for removal. Once removed, your BMW X3 cargo cover can be conveniently stowed. Many X3 models feature a dedicated storage compartment located beneath the cargo floor panel. To store it, slide the left side of the cover into the front area of this compartment first, then guide the right side in. Reinstalling the cover is just as simple. Reverse these steps, ensuring both ends click securely into place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.